It's a new trading week, and politics as well as monetary policy will be key themes in the coming days. Last week, the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged at its September policy meeting and announced plans to unwind the massive balance sheet starting in October. The Fed Reserve signaled it still expects one more increase by the end of this year despite low inflation. And looking ahead to the economic calendar on Tuesday, U.S. September consumer confidence is set for release. Forecasts call for a reading of 120 from August 122.9. And August new home sales in the U.S. are forecast to go positive with a gain of 3.3% from the minus 9.4% in July. As for Fed speeches, we have Mester, Brainerd, and Bostic on tap, but it is Janet Yellen's keynote speech on inflation uncertainty and monetary policy that will take center stage. And on Wednesday, preliminary data for August durable goods is forecast to gain 1% from the minus 6.8% reading in July. Looking ahead to Thursday, Carney will be speaking at the BOE Independence Conference in London. Meanwhile, Germany's CPI reading for September is expected to show a preliminary year-over-year reading of 1.8%. And Q2 U.S. GDP is widely awaited. The data is expected to tick higher to 3.1% from the prior 3% reading. Also in focus on Thursday is the advanced August U.S. trade balance. The goods deficit in August is expected to widen to a consensus $65.1 billion U.S. dollars. And last but not least, on Friday, Eurozone CPI for September calls for a reading of 1.6% and a core reading of 1.2%. German data on unemployment will be watched, with the September rate expected to come in unchanged at 5.7%. Also, the final second quarter UK GDP reading is forecast to show expansion of 1.7% year over year. Here in the U.S., personal income and spending for August will be in focus, with the spotlight on the PCE deflator. It is expected to post a 1.5% reading. And on Monday here in the U.S., the FX market is seeing mixed trading. Euro-dollar is off 0.6% at 1.1876. In the oil market, WTI is up 1.3% at $51.35, while spot gold for December delivery is off just 0.1%, trading at $1296.40. Until next time, from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Remy Blair reporting for ICM Capital.